Hello and welcome to Outstanding Tech. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to start up your laptop or PC faster in a very simple and easy way. Before starting the video, I would like to request you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel so you get notifications to more important videos. Without wasting time, let's get started. All you have to do is first you want to go to search box. Then in search box you want to type Task Manager. Then press enter. Then this window will pop up on your screen. Then from here you want to come to Startup. From here you'll find list of all programs that starts automatically as you start up your laptop or PC, which consequently slow down your PC or laptop startup process. Also you can see startup impact of different programs from here. All you want to do is to select these programs one by one and disable it from here. Like select and disable. Select, disable. Select, disable. Select, disable. Select, disable. As you can see, different programs have different impact on startup, like high, medium, low, etc. Now close this window. Now your laptop or PC will start up very faster and smoother than before. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, smash the thumbs up button and do not forget to subscribe and also share with your friends.